Alright guys, let's continue. We're gonna assemble one Raptor. These are the parts to assemble only one Raptor. This is the nozzle. This cone connects to the nozzle. All this is the top portion of the Raptor, the gimbal struts, and the tubing. So let's start cutting it. I always start with cutting the tabs. You have to be very careful using the X-Acto knife. This is a new blade. You have to be very careful because accidents can happen. I'm using a magnifying glass to do the cuts. This little portion here, here. All right, let's continue this little circle. Very careful. I mean, you can also cut all this with a scissor, but it's better with cutting those parts with an X-Acto knife. Right now I'm going to just separate these two parts and cut them individually. At least this video is gonna tell you how long it's gonna take you to build just one Raptor. So yeah, you need to be very patient. You see how easy it becomes when you cut these with a knife. Now carefully you gotta cut through following that black line. At the same time, I'm going to start folding them, curving them. It's a good technique. Next one. It's like a windshield wiper. That's the Alright, these are ready to be glued. Let's continue the other parts. Let's separate these. I work in groups. Let's cut these two. There's one. Okay. Next. You can cut this with a scissor, but if you want to do it with a knife, you can. Just be very careful. Right. And how to fold this part. This is a very small one, so with the same technique, press hard and move it like a windshield wiper fashion. There you go. Straighten up the edges, getting it closer to the center, the midline, and actually you're getting a little cone. Right? Okay. Next. And pretty much we're gonna be cutting these and then we're gonna put all together, okay? Next video.